Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a beautiful university UI combined with an interactive chatbot, all using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you want to create a modern, sleek web interface with glassmorphism effects and an AI-powered chatbot launcher, this video is for you. First, we'll start by building the university-themed user interface with a clean, dark glassmorphism style, using CSS flexbox and grid layouts to make the UI fully responsive. I'll explain how to add animated elements, glowing effects, and smooth hover interactions to make your site visually stunning. Next, we'll add a chatbot launcher button fixed on the page that pulses gently to attract users' attention. When clicked, a pop-up chatbot window will open with a smooth scale and fade animation. We'll style the chatbot with a modern dark theme and design chat bubbles for both the user and the AI assistant. Finally, I'll share tips on making your UI mobile-friendly, accessible, and fast-loading for the best user experience. If you want to learn the full code, download the source files linked below and follow along step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of more tutorials like this.